Hi guys, so today I'm working on Chevy Cruze 2016. Um, this one has a issue with sounds weird. Especially these cars have a lot of different noises. Sometimes their valve cover goes bad. The PCB valve inside the valve cover, they usually go bad and it's sounds like whistling and weird noises. So yeah, but this sound in this car is different. It's like um, rubbing metal. So I tried to figure out, but it wasn't coming from the engine, but it was coming from the turbo. I think the fan inside the turbocharger got bad or something. So I'm gonna replace the turbocharger and let's see. Let me start the car and you can hear the noise that I'm working on. Okay, you see, this is a weird noise. It's like rubbing metal, like fan, something like that. So I think it's turbo. It's coming from turbo. I think something is wrong inside. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna check. But even though I have to check, I got the turbocharger because I think it's turbocharger. Sometimes those fans, you see right here, inside here, just have a problem, and the wastegate sometimes gets loose and stuff like that. It's pretty common in this car, so I'm gonna change the turbo anyways, and I think it's gonna fix the issue. All right, guys, I'm gonna replace the turbocharger and then gonna make another video. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so I'm done installing the turbocharger for the car, and now let's see if I start the car, what's gonna happen. Yep. No more noise. That's good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. See you on the next video. Thank you.